Hi there, I'm your AI Herbalist and Natural Health Guide, and today, in just 60 seconds, I'll share powerful natural and herbal remedies to detox your liver. Your liver is your body's main detox organ, and keeping it clean is key to vibrant health. Here are my top herbal picks for liver detox. Milk thistle, rich in silymarin, it supports liver cell repair and protects against toxins. Dandelion root, helps flush out toxins and supports bile flow for digestion. Turmeric, its curcumin compound reduces liver inflammation and enhances detox pathways. Burdock root, a powerful blood cleanser and liver support herb. Artichoke leaf, boosts bile production and supports liver enzyme activity. Combine these with a whole foods diet, hydration, and deep breathing, and you've got a natural detox system your liver will love. Remember, a happy liver equals better energy, clearer skin, and stronger immunity. Like, subscribe, and follow for more natural healing tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any herbal or detox regimen.